This is the TP-Link Tapo C200 pan and tilt home security Wi-Fi camera. Now it features a high definition video where it can record images up to 1080p Full HD. It has motion detection and tracking, specifically person detection, baby crying detection, and has a night vision of up to 30 feet. We are going to unbox this and set it up and show you its features. These are the items in box. Let's take a look at the camera. So this is the camera with the base. We're going to mount it on the base so that this can be placed on a tabletop. And here's how. Just need to align and then turn the base to lock it. So on the camera, if you were to push it up, this is where you have the micro SD card slot as well as the reset button. Now on the box packaging, it is stated that it supports up to 512GB micro SD card for the storage. And here we have a 256GB micro SD card. And here's how to install into the camera. Push the SD card all the way in and it is spring loaded. There, the SD card is installed. Let us power on the camera by connecting the power cable to the camera. You can see that the coverage for horizontal range is 360 degrees and the coverage for vertical range is 114 degrees. The camera is powered up. Next, let's set up the camera. We will use the Tapo app. If you need the app, simply download from Play Store. So let's start up the app. Do note that you may need to create an account if you do not have one. For now, we'll use our account. So let's add devices. Select indoor cameras. Select Tapo C200. Now the LED is already blinking red and green. Go to Next. It has detected our camera. Let's connect. Do note that this camera only supports 2.4 GHz. So let's select Technology Tips 2.4 GHz. We need to enter the password for our Technology Tips 2.4 GHz network. Go to Next once the password is keyed in. Go to Next.
Connecting to Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi connected.
You can name your device. We'll leave it as is. This will be placed in the living room. We'll leave the icon as is. The setup is complete. If you need to mount to the wall, you can tap on that for instructions on how to mount to the wall. But as our camera will be used on the desktop or the tabletop, let's tap on Sounds Good. So you can sign up for Tapo Care cloud services if needed. We'll skip for now. Our local storage is already installed. We'll leave the firmware update time
The
as
SD
is.
card is not formatted. Please format it according to the app guidelines.
So the camera is set up. Let's take a look. So this is the current view that you are looking at right now. You can set to a privacy mode. We can exit privacy mode. You can even turn the alarm on or off. Let's turn it on. So if it detects any motion, the alarm will go on. Let's turn it off. You can also talk. Using your mobile phone, you can talk through the speaker that is on the camera. Testing. You can do a pan and tilt. So on the top icons here, you can take a screenshot, or you can even record a video. You can change the volume of the microphone. And finally, you can even make a call. You can tap to call the camera and talk as if it is a phone. Let's take a look at the settings. So we have put in the storage and it is recording. You can set the recording schedule. Currently, it is based on detection recording. You can do an edit, and you can actually do a continuous recording. Let's clear all and select all. We will set the whole week as continuous recording and we will save. The status LED, you can turn it on or off on the camera. For the video and display, you can select the video quality. You will save it as Full HD video. You can invert the image. You can set the privacy zones on or off. When enabled, you can actually select which areas you want to block out. You can add a zone. We'll skip for now. For the on-screen display, we'll display the timestamp. We'll turn off the logo. Display tag on screen. We'll skip this. You can even share your device to other users, such as your family members, so that they can manage the smart device together, and they can also help to monitor your home. Let's go to pan and tilt. So you can set the angle, pan and tilt, currently at 10 degrees. You can even do a pan and tilt correction. Let's check out pan and tilt on the main menu. So for this view, we'll call it the house 1. Let's pan to house 2 and we'll add. So you can view house 1 or view house 2. And for patrol, you can do a horizontal patrol where it will just do a 360-degree horizontal patrol. So this is the TP-Link Tapo C200 Wi-Fi camera. We have just shown you the unboxing, the setup, and the use of its features. Do check it out.